In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing Facebook leads in GoHighLevel. If you've been facing issues with leads not appearing as they should, you're not alone. Many users encounter this, and the good news is that it's usually a straightforward fix. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to resolve this issue and ensure your Facebook leads integrate seamlessly with GoHighLevel. We'll begin inside GoHighLevel. Your first task is to navigate to the Settings section. Within Settings, look for the Integrations option. Here, you'll want to disconnect your Facebook account. Once disconnected, go ahead and reconnect it. When you're reconnecting, make sure to reselect the Facebook page you're managing, the ad account, and if you use an Instagram account, be sure to select that as well. It's important to note that syncing problems often occur because Facebook tokens can expire quietly over time without notice. Reconnecting everything helps refresh these tokens and can often solve any underlying issues. Next, we need to check Facebook lead access. To do this, head over to your Meta Business settings. Once you're there, find the Integrations tab and open it. Under Integrations, go to Leads Access. Here, you need to make sure that Lead Connector is connected. Also, verify that your page is properly assigned. If there's any doubt or if something seems out of place, click on the option to restore default access. Remember, missing lead permissions are one of the most common reasons that leads don't show up as expected, so ensuring everything is correctly configured here is crucial. Now let's move on to verifying your Facebook page permissions. In your Meta Business Manager, check if you're added as an admin or have full control. Along with this, confirm that your page has full business permissions and that the ad account owner aligns with the page owner. GoHighLevel support often emphasizes the importance of ensuring user permissions, page permissions, and ad account ownership align correctly. Mismatches in oversight and permissions are frequent culprits when issues arise. Finally, we need to verify the form mapping within GoHighLevel. Begin by going back to GoHighLevel and then head into Settings, followed by Integrations. After reaching Integrations, look for Facebook Form Field Mapping. Select the form you're working with and remap the fields manually. Once you've done this, make sure to save these settings again. Even if everything appears correct, mappings sometimes need a fresh save to start syncing correctly, especially if they've been inactive or if they've encountered any hiccup in connectivity. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with missing leads. Remember to regularly check these areas to maintain smooth operation. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I wish you the best in optimizing your lead flow through GoHighLevel. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tech solutions.